How to take photos that look like nighttime even though it is daytime. In this video, I will show you the daylight synchronization method that darkens the surroundings to make it look like nighttime even though it's daytime, and brightens only the subject that the strobe is hitting. It is daytime, so the situation is this bright. However, we are not shooting in direct sunlight but in cloudy weather or in the shade. First, try shooting with only natural light without a strobe to match the subject. The background is brighter than the subject. If you match the exposure to the subject, the background will be a little blown out. Next, I try to take a picture by adjusting the exposure to the brightness of the background. The subject is a little darker and underexposed. To brighten the subject to match the brightness of the background, try using a softbox. The softbox is a Godox parabolic softbox. The strobe is a Godox 8300. The softbox should be placed as close to the subject as possible. By softening the light will blend in with the natural light. If the light is too hot, it will look unnatural as if you were using a strobe. The background is left at the appropriate brightness as before. The dark person looks very nice with a soft light from the softbox. Normally, this would be a pretty enough light. But I want to take a different image, so I tried to make the background as dark as possible. I lower the ISO, close down the aperture, and increase the shutter speed as fast as possible. By doing this, the background that is not hit by the strobe light will be underexposed. Now, let's take a shot without using a strobe. The overall image has become much darker. Of course, I didn't use a strobe, so the person was completely dark. Next, let's use a softbox. Since I have stopped down the aperture and set the ISO lower than before, if you don't use a strong strobe light, it will be dark, so increase the strobe light intensity. The subject is now at the right brightness and the background is dark, creating a night-like image. Interesting, isn't it? Even though it is daytime, you can create images like this by making the background underexposed and the strobe stronger. These techniques can be used when making the background darker. However, during the daytime, it is difficult to darken an area in direct sunlight, so please take pictures in the shade or when it is cloudy. Everyone, please try it out!